Meaning of in-house.
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 In-house. The term in-house refers to something that is done within a company or organization, rather than being outsourced or contracted out to a third party. This can include everything from production and manufacturing to marketing and customer service. By keeping tasks in-house, companies can maintain greater control over their operations and ensure that quality standards are met. It also allows for closer collaboration and communication between teams. However, it can also require significant investment in resources and infrastructure. Overall, the decision to keep tasks in-house or outsource them depends on various factors such as cost, expertise, and strategic goals.